Welcome to our educational channel. Here we will be discussing about multiple angle problem related with bigger angle as 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta, 6 theta, 7 theta, 27 theta, like that problem will be discussing here. Here in previous session also we have discussed about like that type of problem, but here little bit complex problem will be discussing, and we'll be using algorithm as well as we'll be using hit and trial method. Means as we'll get the question, accordingly we'll make different method. So now we'll move towards this algorithm. Before starting this, once I want to request all the viewers, please subscribe our channel so that we can get more and more energy for next videos. Okay, so let's start with our algorithm. Here in this algorithm it is mentioned that as we are using this bigger angle, so we have to take the LHS or RHS side, whatever we are taking, where there will be plus minus. It means that it is mentioned it should not be alone. Then after second step it is mentioned. Now we'll move towards problem. We'll see problems and we'll solve by using this algorithm, as well as we'll use another hit and trial method also. So we'll go through the problems here now. Now here in this problem we have tan 20 degree and sine 20 degree. So as we have tan and sine 20 degree, here we can't apply bigger angle or a smaller angle condition, because here we have degree in degree format. So we'll go through another method. So here what we are doing here, first we are using quotient relation. We are using quotient relation. Then as we'll apply quotient relation, we will see it will tan will be in form of sine and cos. Then after we will take LCM, and as we'll take LCM, then we'll get in form of sine 2 theta formula. Then after that we'll convert in sine or cos a plus minus b format for numerator only. This will only will apply for numerator. Then we'll go on solving, means substituting known value, addition, subtraction, like this we'll do. Then we can see we'll be getting another side, that is RHS. So once we'll see here, we have first taken here LCM. So as we are taking LCM, here it is in form of 2 sin theta dot cos theta. 2 sin theta dot cos theta means this is formula format of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta we have formula as a 2 sin theta dot cos theta. So here we are using this formula. This formula we are applying here, sin 2 theta as a 2 sin theta dot cos theta. In our case it was 4 sin 20 dot cos 20. It means that we'll convert in 2 sin 20 dot cos 20. So we'll be getting there, after applying formula we'll be getting there sin 40 degree. We'll be applying a formula and we'll be getting there sin 40 degree, and it was there was 2, so 1 2 will be as it is. 1 2 we are using for formula, another 2 will be as it is because there was 4. So once we'll see how we are using in our problem. So we'll see here first. So now here we can see, as we are applying formula, means as we are arranging in formula format, we will convert in sine 40 degree. We'll convert numerator in sine 40 degree, and as it is mentioned, and also bigger angle is 40 degree here. So we'll go for another addition, plus and minus format. So as we are applying plus and minus format, we are getting here sine 20 degree plus 2 sine, in place of 40 we are getting as a 60 and 20. 60 minus 20 we are getting as a angle. Denominator is as it is. So we have this formula sine a minus b. This is in form of formula sine a minus b. Sine a minus b formula we are getting, format we are getting, and we'll apply this formula sine a minus b, and we'll substitute their value sine a minus b. This formula we are going to use here, sine a minus b as a sine a dot cos b minus cos a dot sine b. This formula will use there, and we'll substitute values. We'll keep their angles as it is. We have A as a 60 degree and B as a 20 degree. We have A as a 60 degree and B as a 20 degree. So this will replace and will apply formula here now. So we have got sine 20 degree as it is plus 2 times sine A into cos B plus minus cos A into sin B format formula we have. As 60 degree is known angle for us, we will substitute known angle value, means sin 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 60 value 1 by 2. So that value we are replacing. Then we will open formula. Then we will open, after this we will open bracket, and as we will open bracket we can see some terms will cancel out. Means here we can see as 2 will multiply we will get root 3 times cos 20. As 2 will multiply we will get only minus sin 20 degree. Denominator will be as it is. Again sin 20 will cancel out each other. This sin 20 will also cancel out each other. Then as two terms will cancel out, cos 20 will also cancel at last. So then we'll be getting a required RHS, that is root 3. So in this way we have proved. Once again we will conclude this. In this case, first we have applied quotient relation for tan, then we have taken LCM and we have got in form of sin to theta format. And as we have got in sin to theta format, then we have used formula sin to AB, sin 2 theta formula we have used here. Then we have converted in sin A minus B formula, and sin A minus B formula we have opened. We have got known values, and opening brackets we have seen that other terms cancel out. We have got root 3 as a RHS. So now we'll go for next problem here. In next problem we have question in root. There are so many in a root. First we have root over 2 plus, again inside 2 plus, again inside 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 cos 8a, and we have to prove for cos a. We have to prove for cos a. So what we'll do, we will be not taking this RHS, we will be taking LHS because bigger angle is 8a. So we'll go through 8a first, then we are taking this 8a. So here as we'll apply for formula, before applying formula we can see here 2 is common, here 2 we are getting common, so we'll take common and it will come in formula format. So now we have taking LHS, we are taking 2 as a common. So if as we are taking 2 common, we have got in formula format of 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a we have formula as a 2 cos square a. We have formula, we are using this formula 1 plus cos 2a as a 2 cos square a. So in our case it was 1 plus cos 8a, so we will be getting 2 cos square 4a, means just half of this angle will be getting there. So here now once again we will go through the problem and we'll see how we are using this problem here. So now here we are applying formula of 1 plus cos 2a. So here we'll be getting 2 cos square 4a, and since it is whole square inside the root, then we'll be removing this root by using whole square and root. Then again we can see here again it will be common, here 2 and 2 will be common. Then again we'll be getting same format, 1 plus cos 2 theta format. Then as we are applying here 1 plus cos 2 theta, we'll be getting formula same pattern we are getting again and again. So again 2 cos square 2a, again we will see it will be whole square, again taking common, again we have got same, we have used the same formula, means we have used again same formula of 1 plus cos 2a as a 2 cos square a. This formula we are using there. Then we have seen that as we have applied formula, this again it will come in whole square format. Inside we are getting whole square, then this root will cancel out, we will be getting RHS as a 2 cos a. So once again I will just repeat this. Here we are getting problem in root format, and in root format we, after taking 2 common, we have got as a 1 plus cos 2 theta format, and 1 plus cos theta format formula we have 2 cos square theta. So applying this we have seen it is coming inside root, it is coming whole square, so removing whole square we have got again same previous pattern. So again 2 taking common, it is again in form of 1 plus cos 2 theta format. So going applying and formula, going and using this formula, we have proved this as a 2 cos a as a RHS. So this is our final proof. So now we have got proof as a 2 cos a. So now we'll go for next problem here now. Next problem we have seen, it is in numerator and denominator format. As we have numerator and denominator format, then we have to think for bigger angle. Here in this case we can see both side we have bigger angle, that is 27a. Both side we have bigger angle, that is 27a. Here we have cos 27a, here we have tan 27a. But if we see for sign, both side we have plus and minus sign, both side we have plus and minus sign. So if we see algorithm is saying that you take the bigger angle side where there is plus minus side, but here in this case we have got both side. So what we'll see which side we have more terms, that side will be taking. So obviously we have LHS side, so we'll be going to the LHS side. So now we'll take here LHS, and we'll convert this numerator in sine to theta format by multiplying by cos. So here first we have to sine a, so we'll multiply by cos a. Here we have sine 3a, so multiply by cos 3a. Here we'll multiply. Here we have sine 9a, so multiplying by cos 9a upon cos 9a. And this numerator will come here. Numerator will come in formula format, that is 2 sine a dot cos a. We have formula of 2 sine a dot cos a. We have formula as a 2 sine 2a. We have formula of sine 2a as a 2 sine a dot cos a. This formula we are going to use here. So in each case, each numerator will see this format is formed. So we'll direct apply that formula here. As a sine 2a format formula will apply. So now as we are applying this sine 2a formula, so every numerator will come in sine to theta format. So here we are getting first as a sine 2a, second we will get sine 6a, third we will get sine 18a. And denominator and numerator, if we will see, we will get some similarity. It means that 3a minus a will be getting 2a, 9a minus 3a will be getting 6a, 27a minus 9a will be getting 18a. So in each case we have got this pattern, so we will apply this pattern for each numerator, and we will apply again formula of sine a minus b. Again we will be applying that formula of sine a minus b formula. We have we have used in previous problem also. Here also we will be using this. So now we have sine a minus b formula, sine a dot cos a minus cos a dot sine b formula. This we are applying. So after replace separating in numerator denominator, we have seen that we have got RHS. This is only our RHS to prove. Now we'll go for next problem. Next problem we have as a 1 by tan 3a, 1 by tan 3a plus tan a minus 1 by cot 3a plus cot a equal to cot 4a. Here if we see, we have bigger angle is on RHS side, but we will go through LHS side. LHS side will be taking because here is plus minus sign. So if we'll see for this side is alone, so we'll go through LHS side and we'll be using this formula with this method to solve the problem. So first we are going through LHS and we are converting this cot in form of tan and we are taking LCM. Now if you will see, this is in formula format, this is in formula format, this is formula of tan a plus b format formula. If we'll take LCM, we'll see after taking LCM, we'll see it will come in form of tan a plus b. So after this we'll take here LCM. LCM is both denominator we have same, so we'll go for LCM and we can see this will be 1 minus tan a tan b upon tan a plus tan b. If we'll do reciprocal here, we'll get formula. This is the formula format, whatever we can see we have. So here will be, if we'll apply formula, we'll get 1 by tan 4a. We'll be getting 1 by tan 4a. So here we have 1 by tan 4a, that is we are getting cot 4a. This is only our RHS. So once again we will see here what we are doing. First we are converting this cot in tan format, and as we are converting cot in tan format, we are taking LCM, and after taking whole LCM we have got in formula format tan a plus b format formula, and that we are replacing as a 1 by tan a as a cot OA, and this is only our answer. So now we'll move towards next problem here. So next problem, in previous problem it was asked to prove cot A, but here it is asking to prove cosec A. Here it is in place of plus minus, here it is plus sign, that much only we are getting difference, and RHS in place of cot it is here cosec, so that much difference we are getting here. So first we'll see here what we are applying here. We are applying formula of tan A plus B formula, same pattern we have. Tan A plus B formula, tan A plus B formula we have as a tan A plus B as a tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This format as we have used in previous problem. So same formula we are going to use here. In previous problem we have used this tan A minus tan B. Now in this problem we are going to use this tan A plus tan B, because in between there will be getting plus sign. So here plus and minus, accordingly whatever we will get we can use the formula. Only plus minus is different. Here is tan A plus B means tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here if there is minus, then we will be getting tan A minus B. So pattern is same. So we'll see problem here. So after taking LCM, here also we'll be getting LCM. So as we are taking LCM, what we will be getting here, we will be getting as a 1 plus tan 3A dot tan A upon tan A plus tan 3A. So this is in formula format, and we are converting this in sin and cos format. We are converting in sin and cos format because we have to prove in form of cosec. So we are converting in sin and cos format, and as we are converting sin and cos format, we can see in numerator we are getting the formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is formula of cos A minus B. Denominator we are getting sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is formula of sin A minus B. This cos A dot cos 3A, it will cancel out each other because we have same denominator. When we will do reciprocal, it will cancel out. So what we are getting? We are getting in denominator sin 4A. So again applying sin to a formula, we can see cos 2A will cancel out and we will be getting 1 by 2 times cos 2A. Once again we will see what we have done. First we have converted this, as in previous problem we have converted this cot in form of tan, and we have taken LCM. Accordingly we can prove this is our final RHS as a 1 by 2 times cos F 2A. We'll go for next problem now. Here in next problem we can see here we have to prove cos 5p equal to 16 times cos to the power 5p minus 20 times cos to the power cube 3b plus 5 cos b. So if we'll see here, bigger angle we have, bigger angle cos 5b, so we'll be taking LHS, and as we are taking LHS we'll convert in cos a plus b, because here we can't convert in cos in 3 theta or 2 theta, we can't convert. So what we are converting? We are converting in form of cos a plus b or a minus b format. We are converting a plus b format. We have formula cos a plus b as a cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Then we have applied, we have to prove in form of cos format. So as far as possible we will go on converting all in cos format. So here cos 2b we have formula 2 cos a square b minus 1, cos 3b we have as a 4 cos cube b minus 3 cos b. Same way for sin 2b and sin 3b. Sin 2b also we have formula 2 sin b dot cos b, and here sin 3b also we have formula. So all each term we have converted in formula format. Then after we have here minus, just we have opened bracket and we have seen, after that we have got in product format, and some terms will go on cancelling, and then after all sign we have converted in cos format, because all we have to write in cos, we have to get in cos, because our RHS is in cos format. So all we have converted in cos, and then we have done solving and addition subtraction we have done here, then accordingly we have got RHS. Once again we will see here. So in this case we have bigger angle in LHS side, so we have taken LHS, and we can't convert in 2 theta or 3 theta format. 2 theta or 3 theta format we can't convert for 5. Then what we have done, we have converted in a plus b format formula we have converted, and cos a plus b as a cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Then for cos To be we have formula. We have to prove in cos. So as far as possible, we have converted all in cos format. 2 cos a square b minus 1 cos 3 theta formula we have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Same way sin 2 theta formula we have 2 sin theta dot cos theta. Same way sin 3 theta formula we have 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So this is our formulas, and then after we have opened here bracket and we have converted this all sign in cos format, and we have solved, means we have done addition and subtraction, and we have got the final output proof, that is RHS. Then here now we have used this formula in previous problem as a sine to a formula to sin a dot cos a. Same way we have used cos to a formula, 1 minus 2 sin a square a formula, 1 minus cos to a formula, like this formula we have used in previous problem. As well as this cos to theta formula also we have used 2 cos a square theta minus 1. Then we have used 10 to a cos to a formula we have used. Then after we have applied sin a minus b a plus b formulas. Then after tan a plus b tan a minus b formula we have used in previous problem. So in this way we have used this algorithm, as well as we have used the hit and trial method also for some complex problems, by taking LCM or by converting in formula, like that we have in there. So these formulas we have used in previous problem, as we have got in solving steps. So thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe us, and help us for making new educational video. If it is effective, if it helps you, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.